the way on the path we're on. So far from home, flowing with the breeze through the trees. I can breathe, finally I can let it go. Watch it go. Come take a walk with me, winding down the dirt footpath. Keep going, no looking back, eyes like that ahead. Lightning bugs strobing in the distance, on a mission like we're God said. All freestyle, no scripture. Keep going like we're almost there, even though I got no idea. Manifest destiny. Trek across the ruins of those that came before us, off in the greener pastures, venturing to new frontiers. I'm done rapping, now I'm unwrapping, unraveling the mysteries of the galaxies and far beyond. Maybe it's just a drink and smoke 'em on, but I'm definitely onto something. We can agree I'm something else. I don't know, whatever he's having, I want some. Conversing, talking shop, now that's what's up. Kinship, fellowship, whatever, our little club. It's ludicrous, but we family living too fast, too furious. Steady as the white bird flies. Great minds think alike. Never gonna find our peace. Shattered across time. Talking about big ideas, hopes and dreams, all our wishes. Of course they're possible, let's make them reality. Grinders, hustlers, big thinkers. I'm talking real talk with real people. Free speech, unruly, uncivil. Hashing out our wildest thoughts. Real people, politics and bullshits. Yo, you think aliens are real? Way past asking about work and the weather. This is real shit, the realness is real here. Take a look around here, this is where it's at. Networking, flowing like an electrical current. Gotta prove your metal to get linked into the circle. Game changers, earth shakers, truth shapers, fact facers, face the fact. You can't hang with us, cause you're slacking, dog. I grind hard and you're too soft. I'm on a tear right through you. Steady as the white bird flies. Great minds think alike. Never gonna find a peace.